Welcome to Foodtastic. Today we are going to see how to make masala puri. Soak 200 grams of green peas around 8 to 10 hours. Rinse and drain the water. Put it in pressure cooker. With this, add 2 medium-sized peeled potatoes. Pour water until the peas submerge in water. With this, add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of salt. Close the pressure cooker and let it blow 4 whistles. Now heat a fry pan, add 2 teaspoons of oil, add 1 diced onion, saute it few seconds. Add 1/2 inch size ginger, 6 to 7 garlics, 1 green chilli sliced vertically. Saute it 2 minutes. Now add 3 cloves, 2 small sized cinnamon. Saute it until the onions are cooked well. Now add 1 or 2 medium tomatoes. Saute it until the tomatoes are cooked well. Transfer it to a mixie jar and grind it nicely. Heat a pan, pour 3 teaspoons of oil. Add the onion tomato mixture with this. Pour a little amount of water. With this, add 1/2 teaspoon of Garam Masala, 1 teaspoon of Chaat Masala, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of chili powder. Mix it. After 3 minutes, add cooked green peas and potatoes. Take out the potatoes and mash, then add it back into the curry. Now cook it around 3 to 4 minutes. Take 5 to 6 unpuffed puri, crush it in the plate. Then add the green peas potato curry. Two teaspoons of sweet chutney, 1 teaspoon of green chutney, few chopped onions, few chopped tomatoes. Sprinkle some coriander leaves. Sprinkle some sage. Finally add a pinch of chaat masala. Now the masala puri is ready. Please try this at your home. Subscribe our channel for more updates. Thanks for watching.